Hello everyone, having trouble connecting your Crossley record player to Bluetooth? In this video, we will show you how to fix the connection issue and get your tunes streaming in no time. Let's get started. Step 1. Check Bluetooth compatibility. Confirm whether your Crossley record player supports Bluetooth output to speakers or headphones or only Bluetooth input to receive music from other devices. Check the user manual to understand your model's Bluetooth capabilities. Step 2. Restart both devices. Power off your Crossley record player and the Bluetooth device, example phone, speaker, or headphones you are trying to connect. Wait 10 to 15 seconds and then turn both device back on. Attempt to pair the device again. Step 3. Activate pairing mode. Find the pairing button or follow the pairing instructions in the manual. Look for a blinking light that indicates the record player is in pairing mode. On your Bluetooth device, enable Bluetooth and search for nearby devices. Select the Crossley player from the list. Step 4. Ensure device visibility. Ensure the Bluetooth device is not connected to another device on your phone, speaker, or headphones. Remove or forget any previously paired devices. Reconnect to the Crossley player. Step 5. Move devices closer. Place the Crossley record player and the Bluetooth device within 3 to 5 feet of each other to ensure a strong signal. Ensure there are no walls, furniture, or electrical devices obstructing the connection. Step 6. Reset the Bluetooth connection. Go to the Bluetooth setting on your device and forget the Crossley player if it is listed. Rescan and attempt to pair again. Some Crossley models have a reset function. Refer to the manual to perform a factory reset. Step 7. Avoid interference. Turn off other Bluetooth devices in the vicinity. Move away from devices like Wi Fi routers or appliances that could cause interference. Step 8. Update firmware. Visit Crossley's official support website to check if a firmware update is available for your model. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Download and install the update as per the provided guidelines. Step 9. Check the manual for specific instructions. Refer to the manual for your specific Crossley model to confirm the correct pairing process. Look for troubleshooting tips tailored to your device. Step 10. Contact Crossley support. If none of these steps work, contact Crossley customer support for assistance. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. They may offer additional troubleshootings or, if necessary, repair or replace the device under warranty.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.